Hey, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing? You gonna let me touch you? Oh, you're a good boy. That's a good boy. You gonna curl around? Oh, okay. Take a look at you. What you doing? You gonna come out? Come here. Come here. What you doing? What you doing, pretty boy? Come here. Would you eat something? What you doing, Igor? Say hi, pretty boy. Who's a pretty boy? Be a good boy. No, we're not gonna bite. We're not gonna bite. No biting. No biting. No biting. We're not gonna bite. Good boy. No. No. Hi, Precious. Hi, Precious. You're okay. You're okay. You gonna say hi to everyone? Let's see if we can get you some help. You're so pretty. I've never heard you say a word. You never say a word. You gonna walk around for me? Oh. You get nasty? What's the matter, you? What's the matter, you? You're okay. You're okay. That's a good boy. You're a good boy. Look at you. Oh, yes. You're so handsome. You're so handsome. You are pretty. You are pretty. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. You're okay. You're okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, that feels so good. Don't bite. No biting. You're a good boy. Look at your pretty neck. You're okay. You're okay. No. No, I can't let you do that. Did you get something to eat? No. Oh, that feels so good. You know that feels so good. Yes, it does. Oh, yes, it does. You're handsome just the way you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are.